LeetCode is useless. Real developers never use DSA. Coding interviews are broken. Then why do top companies still ask these questions in 2026? There's actually a reason.
Imagine opening a software engineering role at a top company. Within days, thousands of people apply. Now the company has a huge problem. How do they quickly identify candidates who can actually solve technical problems? They cannot give every applicant a real production-level task. That would take too much time. And resumes are no longer reliable. Projects can be copied. Tutorials can be followed. And now, AI can generate entire applications. So companies need something fast, scalable, and difficult to fake. That's why coding interviews still exist.
A lot of people think LeetCode interviews are only about memorizing patterns, but good interviewers care about something deeper. They watch how you think. Can you break problems into smaller parts? Can you optimize your solution? Can you explain your reasoning clearly? Because real engineering is mostly problem solving. Production bugs, scaling issues, system failures. Companies want engineers who can think logically under pressure. LeetCode is basically a problem-solving test. Not perfect, but useful.
At large companies, small mistakes become expensive. A slow algorithm used by millions of users can cost huge amounts of money. Bad optimization can overload servers. Poor database queries can slow entire systems. That's why companies value engineers who understand efficiency, data structures, trade-offs, optimization. Even if you never solve graph problems at work, the thinking process still matters.
Now, let's be honest. The system is not perfect. Some amazing engineers are bad at interviews. Some people memorize hundreds of problems without real understanding. And interview performance does not always equal job performance. That criticism is completely fair. But companies still use LeetCode interviews because they haven't found a better scalable alternative yet. That's the real reason.
So instead of blindly hating LeetCode, understand why it exists. Smart candidates focus on both problem solving and real projects. Because the best engineers combine DSA, practical skills, and clear thinking. Subscribe to Stickman Thoughts for more honest tech videos and software engineering content.